Keyword arguments in Python allow you to specify default values and improve function readability. They enable calling functions with named parameters, enhancing code clarity and flexibility. By using keyword arguments, you can easily manage optional parameters and avoid errors related to argument order, making your functions more robust and user-friendly. In Python, function arguments are crucial for customizing function behavior and enhancing code reusability. This chapter will explore the basics of function arguments, including their types and how they contribute to writing clean, maintainable code. Function arguments are crucial for customizing function behavior and creating reusable code. There are two main types: positional arguments, which match parameters by order, and keyword arguments, which assign values to named parameters regardless of order. Understanding these distinctions is key to writing clean, maintainable Python code. Keyword arguments enhance readability by making function calls self-documenting, as seen in send email to equals user. At example.com, subject equals welcome. They allow order independence, enabling greet open parenthesis name equals Alice, age equals 30 close parenthesis to work like greet open parenthesis age equals 30 name equals Alice close parenthesis. This flexibility supports optional parameters with defaults, reducing errors from argument order confusion in complex functions. Keyword arguments enhance function calls by using parameter equals value syntax, ensuring clarity. Define functions with named parameters, optionally setting default values. When calling, explicitly name each argument for improved readability and flexibility. You can mix positional and keyword arguments, but remember, positional ones must come first. This approach reduces errors and makes code more intuitive. Keyword arguments enhance function calls by using parameter equals value syntax, ensuring clarity. Define functions with name parameters and optional defaults. When calling, explicitly name arguments for improved readability. You can mix positional and keyword arguments, but always place positional ones first. For instance, create user allows specifying details like username and email, with defaults for age and active status. Keyword arguments enhance function flexibility and clarity. In Configure Server, parameters like host and port are easily customized. Similarly, Process Data allows explicit control over data normalization and outlier removal. These examples demonstrate how keyword arguments make code more readable and maintainable, ensuring precise function behavior tailored to specific needs.